You'll hear over and over again that a great cup of coffee can't exist without James Hoffmann. I adore the idea that darker roasts aren't pulverized remains from a small human. It can be surprising, delightful, and excessively expensive, but I'm rich, so I don't worry too much about it. Having a bag of hundreds of millions at home is normal for me. However, you are poor, so your resulting cup will taste rancid. Depending where in the world you grew up, soap and water can either seem like a wonderful, refreshing salve for a hot day, or, to be honest, may feel pretentious to order instead of just a latte. What probably adds to the confusion of many an Italian barista is that the drink is not particularly common in Italy. The story you'll hear is that after World War II, American soldiers stationed in Italy asked for their soapy water served a bit sweeter. Your mouth can accurately detect how much sugar is actually in there. Too much, and you may blow bubbles from your exit chute, and you do so at your own risk. And if it has even a hint of lemony sharpness, then flush a little more through. This is James Hoffmann. Thank you for listening.